How to set up alerts in the Discover mobile app. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick guide, I'll show you how you can set up the alerts in the Discover mobile app so you can stay on top of your account activity. First, you're going to have to open up your mobile app on your phone and sign in with your username and password. From your home screen, you can tap on the menu icon and then more. If you don't have an account, you can register for one using their web browser right here, and then once that is done, what you can do is find the menu icon on the home screen and then tap on settings or account center within your app. And after that, what you can do is select the more option. Next, you have to select account alerts or manage alerts from the list. Here you can choose the types of alerts you want, and it could be like payment reminders, balance updates, or suspicious activity notification. You can tap on each alert to turn it on or off and then select your delivery mode, whether it's a push notification, email, or a text message. You could also customize your alerts like that. And after making all of your selections, you can make sure to save the changes and your notification preferences. There are some important considerations you have to make, for example, your security. So, Discover emphasizes that its app notifications are secure and legitimate, so eliminating that chance of receiving fraudulent links or information. It is quite convenient as well to stay informed about your account activity and manage your finances more effectively. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.